Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So today we are going to see why freshers have to struggle a lot to get a job in the field of software testing. So I have been getting many emails, I have been getting many comments on the YouTube videos whenever we upload mock interviews or we upload uh, job related videos, any short videos. So we are always getting comments that why as a fresher, we are not getting a job in the field of software testing, right? So this video is dedicated to all of them and we would be responding to them. And we also would be coming up with few solution tips and tricks which they should try being a fresher, right? And eventually it would help them to make a career in the field of software testing. But before that, if you're watching this video for the very first time, please do like, share, and subscribe this video, subscribe this channel, and share this video with each and every one of you in the network so that everyone can get a right amount of guidance. Everyone gets, the direction to move ahead in with the positive note in their career, right? So let us see one by one points. What are the points which we would like to share with you? Right. So the very first point is that there has been a lot of layoffs going on, right? So already there are a lot of layoffs going on in the companies. Cost cutting is happening, right? So what is happening is the experienced people now, fresher will not get laid off because they are not into a part of the job only. So experienced people are getting laid off, right? Now, when these experienced people get laid off, so obviously they will try in the another companies. So let's say wherever there is a vacancy of fresher, for example, they were looking someone for 0 to 2 years. But if they get this kind of a person who has recently been laid off and he has 1.5 year of experience, so automatically the company will hire him, right? So let me show you an example. Let's say there is a person X who is having a 0 year of experience and he's a fresher. He's looking for a job. He's applying everywhere. Now there is a person Y who has got almost 1.5 year of experience, but he got laid off recently, right? Now there is a position in company A, right? They are looking to hire someone with 0 to 2 year of experience, right? So what would happen is eventually they will first prefer this particular candidate. Why? Because he's having 1.5 year of experience, right? So they will hire him first ahead of this 0 year of experience because they are also looking for some person who can be productive as soon as possible, right? So there is more supply, right? And due to this layoffs, cost cutting, automatically the people will join also immediately, right? The hiring team has to they will quickly get a resource, right? So there is a more supply, right? But demand is less. There is a single company and there were multiple people trying. Okay. Second thing is many of the people have started looking for the freshers with both the kind of opportunities. Like they need both the kind of skill set. Someone who is capable of doing manual testing, also he should be capable of doing automation. So when I say automation, at least he or she should have some programming language knowledge, some course or some training done in Selenium, right? So this is also has become very popular these days. So earlier people just used to see about manual testing, right? He or she should be able to write test cases, testing techniques he should know. Then he should be able to analyze the screen or analyze the application and should be able to find the defects. But these days people have started searching the skill of automation within the QA. So even if you are a fresher, you might not be having any experience, but they would be. So it depends on the company whether they have really that kind of a project or not. So they will be looking for automation skill set, someone who is familiar with the automation, how to do automation, so that even if they have any automation framework, so they can easily deploy you to that particular existing framework and you can start creating the automation test. Okay. Another important aspect is the certification, right? Many of the freshers don't have certifications, right? So see, as such, jobs are very less. So don't worry. Okay. See, you might be thinking, oh, I have applied to 40 companies. I have applied to 50 companies from RD Automation Learning Channel. I have applied to 40 vacancies from LinkedIn. Still, I am not getting call. what should I do? You might be getting demotivated. So don't get demotivated. Jobs itself in the market are less. And if even if they are there, so there are other people who are being preferred. Okay, this is one of the scenario. Now, certification is a very important thing, right? Certification is something that will add a value to your resume, and it could eventually make you stand out in the comparison of the other people who are applying for the same job. Now, there is a very good certification available. Selectors Hub, it's a free certification. See, we always come for free things on this channel, right? So don't worry, you don't have to spend even a single amount of money, whether it's on our videos or anything that we are suggesting, right? So Selectors Hub is a free certification, and it's a wonderful tool that has been developed by Sanjay Kumar. So Sanjay Kumar is an entrepreneur, and he has been making all these tools in the case of testing area. He has recently developed a testing daily website also, in which he is updating everything. Will make a separate video on that. But Selectors Hub is a certification that you all should do. It's a free certification, and I'll show you how to apply for that certification also. So this is the website of Selectors Hub certification, right? So we will put this in the comment section of this video, Selectors Hub /certification, right? And there is a quiz. You need to score 75% above and get the certificate, right? This is for Selectors Hub certification. This is for Test Case Studio certification. So there are two certifications available. And you can see over here, many people across the companies have taken this certification, right? Not only that, but this Selectors Hub is actually a tool which would help you to get the relative XPath, the CSS, or it will help you to locate the elements with various locators, and it will eventually help you in creating the automation scripts. So earlier, people used to use their manual trick to find the relative XPath in the F12 console. But Selectors Hub is a tool which can be installed. It's a plugin which can be installed in any of the browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, and in fact you can install it in your browser as a plugin, as an extension, and you can start using it, right? So you can also see this is also one more plugin. Add our new plugin testing daily in your browser. This is also free, right? So there are two certifications that you should definitely do. And it's a request, once you do these certifications, please tag me in the LinkedIn along with Sanjay Kumar, so that Sanjay this tool, and this is a free tool that has been provided to the community. So this good positive work is being notified to each and everyone in the network, each and everyone in the community, and simultaneously when you will share, so it will be there in the part of your post, it will be there in the part of your network, so automatically it will uh, showcase to the everyone who will see your LinkedIn profile when you are applying for job, right? Okay, now last point is coming to the LinkedIn, as we were discussing about LinkedIn. So make networks, increase your networking in the LinkedIn using this social media website. Now, I've seen many of the freshers, they are using Facebook, they are making Instagram reels, but actually LinkedIn is a very powerful tool. On LinkedIn, you will find many experienced professionals, many HRs are there are who, once you will approach them, will be ready to help you out once their vacancy is there. For example, let's say if there is a vacancy in company A, right? When they post into their website or when they post on their LinkedIn profile, so there might be too many people who might see that. But if you already know them, if you have already made those relationship on the LinkedIn, then they will approach you. They might approach you directly, and then you are just one interview round away from them, right? See, it has been observed that people in your personal life won't help to that extent as you will get help from the people who, or the connections that you have made on the LinkedIn, right? Those are professional people and they will definitely help you. And remember one thing, if someone is asking you for money or kind of any, um, you know, um, kind of consultancy fees, so those are all fake jobs. Don't apply over there, right? So this was a video on why software testing jobs are reducing for freshers and what they should do to get into this race, right? And meanwhile, don't worry, it's not like you are not getting the call, but it is common to everyone. You won't believe the number of emails, the number of comments that we have been receiving on our uh, emails and channel, right? So it's a common thing that has been happening over the IT industry. And again, secondly, it's not only for software testing, but it is common for everyone, whomsoever is looking for development, SAP, any kind of jobs, right? So it's common to all of them, .NET, Python, C Sharp, right? So let's hope that this situation improves and you all get job very soon. Right? So wish you all the best for your career, and please like, share, and subscribe our channel, and please do like this video, and don't forget to tag us on the LinkedIn, me and Sanjay Kumar, once you complete this certification, right? You will be finding the questions on XPath, you will be finding questions on Selenium automation, right? So those kind of questions will be there. And please do take up that certification. It will eventually add a value in your resume. So thank you so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates.